When it's time to dump the debris, position the machine next to your target vehicle or container. Make certain there are no overhead wires or branches that are going to impact the hopper as it is raised and the material is dumped from the hopper. With the machine in park, you can go ahead and hit the hopper raise switch and hold that switch down until your hopper clears the target vehicle or container that you are attempting to dump into. At that point, you can go ahead and hit the dump switch above it to tilt the hopper, and the dump chute will open, discharging material into your target vehicle or container. Once the material is dumped from the container, hit the retract button until the door is shut and the hopper chute is completely retracted, and at that point you can go ahead and hit the lower switch and lower the hopper back into position.